Hello students, today our topic is Scratch programming, and in this lecture we are going to discuss some programs related to Scratch. So let's start. In our previous lecture we already discussed some features of Scratch programming and some commands related to Scratch programming. As you know that if you want to execute a program, first of all just select the category event in block palette, and then generally we use when flag clicked options. You can select any one of these out of event category. So what happens that when we just click on the flag, green flag, then our program will get executed. Okay, then related to pen, if you want to draw any shape, we use pen category. So in pen category, the most important command is clear, which basically clear all the design that are previously mentioned. So first of all select clear, and then after there is a command pen down. Pen down is a very important command, and if you want to make an image, make a if you want to make a drawing, then select pen down, which basically helps you to draw an image. Okay, now just after that there are different event categories, as I told you earlier. Then related to motion, different commands are there. For example, move 10 steps. So it basically moves 10 steps, and you can change the value of it, which is given inside the circle. Then turn 15 degree, I just select 10 turn 50-degree command, so which basically turn the object 15 degree clockwise, and anti-clockwise option is also available. You can change the value inside the white area. See, okay, default values are there, but you can change these value. So basically object moves 100 steps, and then after 100 steps basically it turn 90 degree. And if you want to make a copy of it, then it is also possible. Just right click, and there is an option duplicate, so you can make a duplicate value of it. Okay, so you can make any copy of it just like that. So basically every time object moves 100 steps, and then after 100 steps he take a turn of 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so now there are basically 4 steps that are repeated, and you can easily see here when you just combine it make a program. Okay, until and unless you combine all of these, they cannot make a program. So just drag and attach all these commands together, which will help you to make a program. Basically these programs make a rectangle. Okay, why it make a rectangle? Because first of all object moves 100 steps forward, and then after he take a 90 degree, and then again moves 100 steps, and then make 90 degree, and this process is repeated 4 times. So obviously it makes a rectangle. Let us check it. I just combine all these, and then let us execute this. Now you can easily see here that rectangle is there. Actually it is a square because all sides are equal, and they are because object moves 100 steps forward every time after he take a angle 90 degree. So this will give you a square. Okay, you can make a rectangle also. Actually square is also a type of rectangle in which all sides are equal, as you know. So this is a small program to make a square, and if you want to change the pen color it is also possible. Select pen option, pen category, and then select pen color. So actually after just putting the command set pen color to red, the square will be of red color. Let us see. Now you can easily see here color of square is changed. Okay, now I think it is very easy for you to make a square. Okay, you can make rectangle also, but for this purpose you have to change the number of steps in first and third. There are 4 groups of move and turn, so you can change the value of first and third, or second and fourth. Then you can easily make a rectangle here. Now I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, you can change the background also by selecting one of these. Okay, now let us make another design. So first of all select when clicked, then after clear, and then pen down. If you want to make any figure related to geometry, it's like that triangle, okay, or rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, then you must use 2 commands, clear and pen down. Clear basically clear previous record or previous design, and pen down basically helps you to draw a diagram. Okay, so first of all to draw a diagram, pen down command should be used, otherwise it will figure will not be shown on the screen. Then these are the different categories. Okay, so it is not possible to learn all these at the same time, so we can learn one by one. So first of all we just use most basic commands, and then as we learn different programs we have better understandability of these commands. Okay, so you can select different commands related to different categories. So I just take a command move 90 degree, and then point in direction 90 degree. Basically point in direction 90 degree helps you to point the object in 90 degree, means in forward direction, and then after move 100 steps. Okay, then turn anti-clockwise and let us change the angle 120. I just here try to create a triangle here. Okay, now you can easily see that just after clicking on that, it will move 100 steps forward and then take a turn of 120 degree. So these are the basically two commands, and I just make a group of these two commands. Okay, because to make a triangle we must turn 120 degree every time in anti-clockwise direction and move a certain steps. Okay, because this will make you an equilateral triangle. As we know that equilateral triangle contain angle 60, it means all sides have angle 60. There are three angles and all the and value of all the angles will be 60 in that case. But you can easily see here that I just turned 120 degree anti-clockwise. 120 degree means 180 minus 120, 120, it means 60 degree. Okay, so the object moves 60 degree actually from when it make an angle with its previous line. Let us check it again. Now combine all these together. You can duplicate, you can make the copy of it by just right click on that. Okay, and you can also delete them if you want to delete any command. So you can easily see that turn 120 degree and then move 150 degree, 150 steps. Okay, so these commands are used. So let us join all these together, and this will make an equilateral triangle. Now let us execute it. Now you can easily see here. Now one thing should be noticed that in last I just write a command turn 120 degree. If I don't use this, then direction of the cat, that is an object, is not in forward direction. Okay, that must be used. Let us see it one by one. When I just execute first part, then you can easily see that object moves forward, moves in forward direction 90 degree. Okay, then if I just execute the second part, then it will turn 120 degree and then moves 150 steps ahead. You can see it. Okay, and then again the third part, if I execute the third part, let's do it again. You can easily see here. Okay, now add third part, then you can easily see that it will make a triangle, but the direction of the cat, now you can easily see here that direction of the cat is not in forward direction, so we must use another turn 128 degree command, 120 degree command, so it will make the direction proper. Okay, let us see it how it works. After just joining this command, now again execute it. Now you can easily see here. Okay, so it will make a triangle. So that is a program to make a triangle. So this is a small program to make a triangle. Just execute it again. Now you can easily see here that since I use clear command, so basically all the previous record will be clear when I just execute it again. Let us see it again. You can see it here. Let us see it again. Okay, now I think it is clear to all of you. So this is a small program to make a triangle. Using this program you can easily make a triangle in Python programming. Remember that we here just use the angle 120 degree when we turn anti-clockwise. Okay, and here 120 degree means actually angle between two lines is 60 degree, means 180 minus 120 degree. Now I think it is clear to all of you. Now let us make another program. Now here I just want to discuss very important point, and that is control blocks. So the different control blocks are there. Okay, and in our previous um, programs we use just the different command 3 or 4 times. So there is a question which arises in my mind that is it possible to use a command only a single time and they repeat certain number of times by giving them instruction? So answer is yes, it is also possible. So you can select control category, and in control category there is a command repeat. So within the repeat block, if you just put certain commands, then that command repeated certain number of times. For example, by default if it is 10, then these commands repeated 10 times. Okay, whatever you put inside that block, that commands will be repeated 10 times. So it will help you to execute certain number of certain commands in certain number of times. Let us see. I just repeat and I just repeat 3 because I want to make a triangle. So point in direction 90 degree and moves 150 steps. These are the two commands, and if these two commands will repeat it 3 times, then obviously it will make a triangle. Let us see it. You can put it inside the repeat command. Okay, so first of all I just use point in direction 90 degree because first of all object should be in forward direction. After that there is a block, repeat block, which basically repeat command 3 times. So there are two commands within the repeat block: move 150 degree steps and turn 120 degree. So I just write 120 degree inside that. So I just write 120 degree. Okay, now let us execute it. Now you can easily see here that this will again make a triangle, but in a very easy manner, because I just use repeat block here. Okay, so repeat block basically repeats commands certain number of times. And one more important thing, that you can change the value uh, in white area. So there are different commands, but you can put the different values in white area or white circle inside that command. Default values are there, but you can change them according to your need. So this will make a triangle in very easy manner by using repeat control block. Okay, so I will tell you again that repeat control block basically repeat command in a certain number of times. Let us do it again. You can easily see here. And if I just give 2, then you can easily see here that it will repeat only 2 times. If I just give 1, then it will execute only a single time. and if I just give a suppose 2, then it will execute 2 times. And if I just give a value, let us take 3, then it will make a triangle. You can easily see here. And if I give more than 3, that let us take 10 times, let us check what happens. 12. Okay, multiple of 3. So you can easily see here. And if I just give 10, then initial and final position are different, because 10 is not a multiple of 3. Okay. So basically time will make when at least 3 times the commands move 150 step and turn 120 degree will get executed. So no need to write more than 3 times. So at least you should mention it value of repeat 3 to make a triangle. I think now it is clear to all of you. And another important point that you can make a copy of different commands by just press right click button of your mouse and then click on duplicate. Okay. So again you can easily see here that triangle will make again. Now this time, as you can see here, that again triangle will make, but this time I don't use repeat block here. So since I don't use a repeat block here, so I just give command 3 times. Okay. So this will make a triangle again. You can easily see on the screen. So that is the main advantage of using control block, that you have to mention commands only a single time. Let us check it again. Put the command inside the repeat block and the command will be executed certain number of times as you give the value of it. Let us check it again. So you can make the program without using repeat block or with using repeat block. It is your choice. With using repeat block, it is easy to make a triangle or rectangle or pentagon or hexagon. These are very easy to, these programs, you can make these programs in a very easy manner by using repeat block. Okay. Till now we already discussed a triangle and a square. Suppose I just give repeat 4. Okay, because a square have 4 sides, so I just want to repeat it 4 times, and then I will also change the angle should be of 90 degree. Then actually okay, then actually a square will be formed. So now you can easily see that I just move 120 steps and turn 120 degree. So first of all I have to make the change in angle. To make a square, angle should be of 90 degree. Let us check what happens when we take angle 120 degree and repeat is 3 for now. This time first of all a triangle will be created. Now if I want to make a square, just I change the value repeat 4. Okay, because I want to make a square, and then change the angle and let us take the angle 90 degree. Now let us see. So by using a small change, you can able to create a square using Scratch. Okay, that is an very important point. And if you want to make a pentagon, then value of repeat should be 5, and then angle should be 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5 means 72. Okay, so start 72. A pentagon will be created. Let us check it. Now you can easily see that pentagon is there. And if you want to create hexagon, then it is also possible. So to create a hexagon, give the value repeat 6 and then angle 360 by 6, that means 60. Now it will create an hexagon. Okay, just reduce the value of move step. I just take 100 to reduce the size of the hexagon. Now it is clearly visible that it is a hexagon. Okay, now last important thing regarding to these geometrical shape. If you don't want to calculate the angle, then for that purpose there is also an option for that. Select the category operators. Select the category operators. Okay, go to just operator category and then select division command, and first of all give the value, that is 180. You have to divide it by 360, not okay, 180 divided by 3. Let us see what happens. Okay, 180 divided by 3 means 60, and you have to take the angle 120. So 120 you can get 120 after only after when you divide 360 by 3. So just change the value. First of all, it should be very clear that you always divide the value by 360 by 3, 4, 5 as per the requirement, but the total is 360. So let us check it again. It will give you a clear idea that how different geometrical shape will be formed. First of all, for square, I just take 360 divided by 4 and repeat 4. Don't need to write an angle. Okay, clearly it will make a square. And if I just try to repeat 5, and then angle 360 by 5, then it will make a pentagon. Let us see it. And if you just take the value, repeat 6, and if you just take the value, repeat 6, and angle 360 by 6, then it will make an hexagon. Let us see it. And if you want to make a triangle, then 360 by 3, and give the value, repeat 3, and angle is 360 by 3. It will make a triangle. Let us check it. Give the value, repeat 3, and angle 360 by 3. It will make a triangle. Okay, now I think it is clear to all of you. In this video, basically we draw triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon using repeat block and without using repeat block. Okay, so I think you are able to understand the concept of sketch programming in this video. Thanks for watching this video.